So in this video, I'll be showing you the exact breakdown of how we were able to generate $74,000 in sales for a clothing brand and how to set these ads up yourself. But if you're new here, I'm Troy with iGo Salons, and if you want more content on how to grow your brand using ads, go ahead and subscribe. So we're going to jump right into this. This is a ad account for a clothing brand. And you can see here we have 4 active campaigns. And what I'm going to do is break down the most profitable one. So let's see. I'm going to actually show you the inside of the ad account. And we judged most profitable by the return on ad spend. So for this lookalike audience, every dollar we spend, we're getting 9.3 $9.39 back. So we're gonna edit this. I'm gonna actually show you the breakdown of this. Then I'm gonna show you how to set this up on your own. So right now this is the campaign level. So super simple. Lookalike. We put the date. Then all of this stuff, advantage off, all of this stuff off. So next, this is our ad set level where we do the targeting. So we chose a lookalike audience, 2% US. Now our conversion location is going to be our website. Then our objective is maximize number of conversions. Then we select our pixel. Then our conversion event is purchase. So that's basically us telling Facebook, hey, we want you to show our ads to people that are likely to buy. Then we're going to scroll down. Super small budget, $5 per day. This can be scaled, but the client didn't really want to scale past $5 per day. Well, for this campaign. um, keep going. Now, let's see. Actually, okay, yeah, this is a lookalike. So here in custom audience, you can either create your lookalike audience or you create custom audience, then you create a lookalike audience. Based on that, if you want a tutorial on how to create custom audience and lookalike audience, just comment tutorial and I'll go ahead and get that made. So anyway, we added this and we left everything as is. Gender, it's women, age, wide open, United States. Super, super simple. Then for our actual ad creatives, like where they will show, we put advantage placement. So basically they'll show everywhere like that Facebook owns. And these are the actual ads. So actually so you can see here based on return on ad spend. Actually, I don't know why this ad is off, but this one did the best. It got a 13.54 return on ad spend. So every dollar spent, $13 back. And I'll just show you what these look like. And pretty much we just pulled the content that she was already posting on her Instagram page. So super simple, just her in the clothing, like featuring what they would be buying. This is a carousel ad. Let's see. This ad, super, super simple. Then this ad. And as far as the actual copy, I don't think we use copy for all of these. So the copy is just like the text that's on the page. There's copy on this one, but it's just basically the price and the sizes that come in. So all of this stuff is simple. Most important when running ads is making sure that your website can actually convert visitors into customers. So now that we went through that, I'm going to actually show you how to set this up yourself. So first thing, and I want to show you one of the easiest campaigns to set up and usually the best performing, which is this Advantage Plus. This is a really popular campaign type objective, whatever you want to call it. So anyway, we're gonna hit this green create button. Then you're gonna go sales. So I know a lot of people tend to go traffic when you're just starting out, but don't go traffic. It's gonna get you like low quality people actually going to your site. Sales meaning we're looking for conversions. That means once they click on the ad, they go to your site and they're likely to take specific actions on your site. And we're gonna go manual sales campaign, then continue. Then test YouTube. I'm just naming this because that's what we're doing. And today is 7/13. So we're gonna turn catalog off for this example, and we're gonna leave everything as is, and we're gonna go next. So if you have your shop connected, go website and shop. If you don't, just go website. So for this example, since your shop is connected, we're gonna go website and shop, and that's just like your Facebook, Instagram shop page, or however that works. Then we're gonna select our pixel. Then purchase is already there. Then you're going to set your budget. You literally can start with as little as $5 per day. Just keep in mind, when you start with lower budgets, you reach less people per day. So it could take you a little longer to actually see results depending on how much your average order value is. So meaning, if your average order value is like 10, 15, 20, $25 on a $5 per day budget, you probably start seeing, conversions or sales like the day that you post it, because you don't have to reach that many people to actually sell your thing. But if you're like $100 or so, it may take you, 5, 10 days, again, depending on your average order value and also depending on the conversion rate of your website. So keep all of that stuff in mind when budgeting. One good rule of thumb is you want to at least spend your average order value. If your average order value is $100, at least spend $100 on your ads before you turn them off and oh, they didn't work. So keep that in mind. So we're gonna leave everything as is. Let's see. And we're going with advantage audience. So we're not doing any targeting. We're going to let Facebook figure it out. Facebook has been pretty good with figuring out who to get our ads in front of. We're going to do advantage plus placement. So all of this as is. And we're just going to name this ad set. I usually do ad plus. That's it. Then we're going to go next. Turn ad preview on, and we're simply just gonna we're gonna use an existing post from our page. So use existing post, select post, and let's go with this one. Continue. Then let's see if we could grab her URL. Shop stylish law. Wait, I don't know what I'm typing. Stylish. Not now. And again, this is exactly how I set all of these campaigns up. So we're going to go back, insert URL. I don't know what this is. Okay. Then we'll leave this existing primary text. Actually, we put the URL in the wrong location. Remove that. Okay. Then, so typically you want to probably link to this product. I just don't feel like looking for it. And actually, let me see. Let me see if I can find it really quick. It's fine. But yeah, typically you want to link to the product and drive them directly to the product. You usually have better results that way. If not, you just send them to your home page or your shop page. Then your call to action is going to be shop now. Then you're going to hit publish. That's it. If you found this video helpful, useful, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Also comment any questions and I'll reply to your questions in the next video. If you want my personalized help with setting up your ads, go ahead and DM me on Instagram at iGrowSalons. Thanks for watching.